In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to follow someone on the Threads app. If you're new to Threads and eager to connect with your favorite brands, celebrities, personalities, or anyone else, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in by launching the Threads app on your device. Upon entering the app, you'll notice its similarity to Twitter in terms of interface. You'll have access to a variety of content within the app, but remember that not all of these accounts are ones you're currently following. There are a couple of methods to follow an account. As you scroll through the content, you'll come across account profiles. Adjacent to the profile, there's a plus button. Tap on this plus button, and you'll be presented with the option to instantly follow the account. Once you tap Follow, the plus icon will transform into a check mark, signifying that you're now successfully following that account. Located at the bottom left, the search button allows you to explore popular accounts. Tap the Follow button next to any account that piques your interest. Alternatively, you can employ the search bar to locate a specific individual, whether it's a celebrity, brand, musician, athlete, and so on. Towards the bottom of the interface, you'll spot a heart-shaped button, either on the left or right side. Tapping on this heart icon grants you access to follow requests. In this section, you can view any incoming follow requests from other users. To follow someone who has requested to follow you, simply tap Follow next to their request. To see a comprehensive list of the accounts you're currently following, head to your profile, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Swipe downward to refresh the page, and you'll find the count of your followers. By tapping on the followers count, you can view the accounts that are following you. Switch over to the Following tab to display the list of accounts you're actively following on Threads. In case you've sent a follow request to a private Threads account that hasn't yet been approved, you can access your pending requests by tapping on the Pending section. This area will showcase any follow requests you've sent that are awaiting approval. Hopefully, this guide has provided you with the insights needed to seamlessly follow accounts using the Threads app. If you encounter any questions along the way, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.